Hey guys, it's Nikki here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. And I just wanted to say before I start this video, thank you so freaking much for 1,000 subscribers. That is a huge milestone for any YouTuber who is starting out. So I really appreciate the support. Thank you guys so much for commenting, for subscribing. It means so much to me. I hope I can keep delivering for you guys. I hope I can keep giving you more content that you guys enjoy and that you guys like. Your support makes it so much more worthwhile. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this sleek ponytail without any heat, which is huge, especially if you're natural like me. I don't like putting heat on my hair. I'm trying to grow my hair. So this is a great alternative. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this slow, sleek ponytail without any heat and how I added this beautiful hair to my natural hair, then stay tuned. Alright you guys, so this is my hair in its natural state. My hair may look short, but it is growing out. It's a lot longer than what it appears to be. So I have a lot of shrinkage. But with shrinkage, it could be hard to put your hair up. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my low ponytail. I want to let you guys know this is clean hair. I just wash and condition my hair. And then I put my leave-in conditioner, Cantu Shea Butter, in my hair. And then I sealed it with some oil. Also, some essential items that you're going to need for this video is a rat tail comb and some really good edge control. The edge control that I'm using today is going to be my Shea's Balm edge control. This edge control, you guys, is so amazing for 4C hair. I have never used anything like it. It really does lay your edges down. Literally, my hair has not moved with this in it. It works so well at laying the hair down. And one thing that I love about it is it does not flake at all. Another really good 4C edge tamer is the EBIN New York. This is probably one of my all-time favorites. I've had this one longer than I've had the Shea's Balm. Both are really good, but this is probably my OG. This is my go-to. I love this one. And I'm just letting you guys know now that you guys can find both of these on Amazon, and I'll be sure to link both products down in my description bar. I'm gonna start by parting my hair. I have a part here, it's not perfect, but I'm going to work with it throughout doing my hair. But my main goal is just kind of setting a base for what I want my hair to look like. So I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and just start brushing the back of my hair. So now I'm going to part my hair. So I'm going to do 3 sections. I'm going to part it on my left side, on my right side, and in the back. Alright you guys, so now that my hair is sectioned off, I know it looks terrible, my parting is terrible, it doesn't have to be perfect. I just wanted to make it easier to swoop down my hair because I have such thick hair. I'm going to use my Eco Styling Gel, and this is with olive oil in it. This is such a lifesaver, especially when you're trying to do a hairstyle like this. So I'm just going to take like a glob of this and just put it down in the back. I'm just going to use my hair tie and tie it back. Now I'm going to use my Shea's Balm and make sure to swoop up everything on and around my edges and make sure it lies as flat as possible. And to do this, I'm going to use my toothbrush. Of course, you guys, I don't use this for my teeth. I use it for my hair. It's like a hair toothbrush. But I swear a toothbrush works the best if you're trying to swoop down anything or make anything stay. A toothbrush works so good. So now I'm going to take my left side and I'm going to fix my part on this side, and then I'm going to do exactly what I did for the back. I'm going to use my Eco Styler, swoop it down, and then I'm going to use my edge control. And I'm going to use a little bit of my Shea's Balm again and I'm gonna put it on the part where I just swoop down, but I don't want to put it on my edges yet. I'm not gonna do my edges until I'm done with my hair.
30 hertz straight up.
Alright, so this is the hardest part for me anyways. It's this section right here because it's so thick. So I'm gonna try to do it section at a time. So now that my hair is laid down, I'm going to go ahead and use my edge control again. I'm going to use it all the way around my head. Make sure everything's sealed and put down.
Straight up.
I'm just tying this off in a little bun. To do my edges, I'm going to use my EBIN just because it's an extra hold. It holds a little bit better than the She Is Bomb. And I'll let you guys know, I don't do anything crazy with my edges. I don't do any crazy designs or anything like that. I just like to keep it simple and clean. Alright you guys, so now that everything is laid down and slicked back, I'm going to go ahead and wrap my hair in my headscarf and let this sit for about 20 minutes. So while I'm letting my hair sit, I'm going to wrap my ponytail around. So this is my ponytail, you guys. This is her. I love her. I got her off AliExpress. And I'll link down everything in the description bar below. So this is what I'm going to be attaching to my real ponytail back here. This is a Brazilian 3C curly pattern, and it matches really good with my natural hair because I am 4C. As you guys can see, it's more kinky curly. So the length that I got, you guys, I don't know if you guys can see, I got a 26 inch. I wanted my ponytail to be really long and dramatic, and it looks so good. I got mine for $90 because I got 26 inches. The longer you go, the more expensive. So I think the starting rate was around $20. So you guys, this is a clip-in ponytail. This is why it has a drawstring. So what you do with this, if you've never seen one, these are super cool. They have clips on the inside.
So with the clips on the inside, you're able to slide them in your natural hair around your bun, and the drawstring adds as extra security because you're able to tighten your ponytail around your natural hair, which is super convenient, and I'll show you guys what I mean in just a second.
So let's see what my hair is looking like. It's been about 20 minutes. Ooh. Looks really good. So I did wave a little bit, which is fine with me. That's my natural curl pattern, and that's why I'm saying it's gonna look really good with this, because this curl pattern goes exactly with my curl pattern. So with my little ponytail in the back, I made it a little small bun, which is gonna make it a lot easier for me to put the ponytail around my own natural hair. So I have the ponytail, it's completely loosened. So with the drawstring side, I like this side to go on the bottom of my hair. So there's a clip right here that I showed you guys before. I'm just gonna slide this clip underneath my natural bun. So I'm gonna show you guys. Make sure everything is over my natural bun. And now that everything's flat and everything is covered, I'm gonna go ahead and reach for my drawstring and just tighten it around my own natural bun. So now that everything is secured, I want to hide my drawstring, and I'm also going to hide this area right here. I mean, it looks pretty good, but I'm going to make it look more realistic. So what I'm going to do is grab a small piece of hair in the ponytail from the bottom. Doesn't have to be a lot, just enough to cover. And now I'm going to wrap this around my ponytail. And this will hide everything. Now I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm going to pin the area of the hair that's left.
Straight up.
Alright you guys, so that's pretty much it for the sleek ponytail tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do want more natural 4C hairstyle videos, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys want to see. And I just want to thank you guys so much again for 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. It means so much to me. I will see you guys in my next one.